Well, here we are, the photography show. I'm only 2 hours early. I can smell the Nikon and Canon perspiration a mile away, and the odd whiff of Sony. First man photography spin. I don't think I'll be doing much vlogging here today. You've got to have balls of steel to do this. I'm enjoying myself. This is what it's all about. Not really giving any sneak peeks yet. Haven't seen the superstar that is Thomas Eaton. Hello, Thomas. Now, do I buy a programme or not? I'm not sure. £5. They look all right. Might give it a go. I've got my itinerary all on my phone. The modern man I am. So who are we going to see today? We've only spoken to one gentleman. Who else can we see? A big screen to sell you stuff. I'm only here for a few things. Not really spending any money, to be fair, so just want to see what's going on, what's going down in the photography world. Show photographer doing his precarious bit. Right, we're in. Where shall we go? Lots and lots of people, hey! Alright, look at this beast, it's so cool. Let's go and see if we can find anyone who we know from Landscape Photography YouTube UK. I got it right. Wow. I can just smell bloke. It's just blokes. Not being sexist, ladies. Oh, there you go. About time. More lady photographers, please. Canon big lens. Oh. You can all have a little joke and a little laugh at me. It's fine. I've not gone mad. I'm not talking to myself, really. Look at those. In my dreams. Hello, lovely Canon people. Hello. Wow. Am I allowed in here? Well, I would have expected to see someone here on the Canon stand. I'm a Nikon man myself. Don't forget that. What have we got here? Oh, the tiny little Canons, tiny Canon. Look at the size of those little cameras there. Oh, little camera. Oh, does it get my good side? Yeah, some really nice modifiers. Just walk on, walk off. Right, we've walked down the middle. We're heading down the other side. Now we're on east side. We'll go west side. I'm quite enjoying this now, looking like a dickhead. Give me your comments and thoughts, you know, likes and subscribe below. Beautiful prints. Get a bit of that for you. Quality is fantastic. it's some quality. Some of the brands have grown so much since last year. The quality of the stands are just unbelievable. Look at this, yeah, fine.
A little video, are you?
I'm vlogging the day. You know,
we're sponsors with a photo. You got a lanyard, you only get one on the way in, did you?
I did, yeah. It's in my pocket. I don't really like them round my neck. Got this round my neck.
We got some real good deals here for you, mate.
Yeah.
Yeah, real good deals. Tripods.
This man's trying to sell me something. He doesn't realise I'm skint. I've just spent it all on the DJI
Everything
stand.
under £30. You've got to have something.
I might do actually.
Have a look. You always need a clamp or two.
Yeah.
Have a look. We've got some real
the
good
stand
LEDs.
looks great, it really does. I've got quite a lot of your lighting stuff.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Have you seen our new lights?
No, well,
these are brand new.
I'm a Mr. Budget man myself.
Well,
you know, I even tell myself, don't buy cheap, you buy twice. But so, yeah, that is really good.
And you can play around with them. £35. How'd you go wrong with that?
Look at this. He's Salesman of the Year. Fantastic. So these are LED panels, PVEO15, £35 on the photo stand. Have a look.
There you go. Have a look at that. £35 for that.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then you can adjust the colour intensity.
And that'll clamp on top of my DSLR, of course, yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Dim down.
What's the brightest it goes?
Brightest.
Yeah, that's it. That's the sweet
There you
spot.
go.
And you can change the colour as well,
Look at the colour. Look at the colour on that.
All right.
Straight down to.
Yeah, I've seen your stuff online. I keep up with everything, you know.
There you go. £35, can't go wrong, mate.
I'm blind now. I'm not gonna give a vlog.
Stars, are you?
That's really good,
yeah,
really good. What's your name?
Upesh.
Upesh.
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you, sir.
Lovely to meet you too.
Fantastic.
Have a good day, yeah?
I'll be back for one of them.
Make sure you do.
I will.
See me.
Thank you very much. What a lovely stand, great people. Fantastic. I can't really say much else about that. £35 for a LED light is an absolute steal. Put it on top of your DSLR. Fantastic. Go check these guys out. Benro. I want some good filters, but I don't think I can afford Benro prices. I'm surprised they haven't seen NEC or Lee filter yet. That's a nice filter system. All right. Morning. Good morning. You all right?
Yeah, very good, very good. You're one of the first people to see Benro filters.
Right.
Yeah, we're launching it today.
Oh, right. For some reason, I thought that this was already a thing.
No.
Benro filters.
In parts of Europe, they launched before us,
right.
And Australia have had it for a couple of years.
You don't mind being filmed, do you? So this gentleman is on the Benro stand, and these filters are brand new. He's going to show me how we use the filter holder.
There we go. So you pop the frame in, he says. And then what you do is it's got a tooth there.
Yeah.
And then it has a tooth on the side of the frame.
Yeah, so it drags it up and down
so
like a track.
You set it where it needs to be.
Yeah.
And then you can actually dial in where you want the graduation.
You're not pressing, no pressure, you're not touching it.
You're not touching it, you can get a bit of slip on filter holes, it doesn't do that.
Yeah.
I mean, even when you're taking it out, you're not holding the glass.
Nice little idea.
It's a clever system.
Yeah.
It also has a little quick release on the back, so when you want to change them over, so it's a new patented design.
And you can just squeeze that in to fit your size. Yeah.
Exactly, so you get the drop-down rings and things like that.
Fantastic.
But really good system, and the glass is awesome.
What's your name, sir?
Tom.
Tom, what's your name, mate?
Scott.
Scott. Tom and Scott. That was the Benro stand showing me the filters. New filters, fantastic. The holder and a 10 stop, £150. That's a must. So we've just come on the Lee filter stand, and I wonder what the system would cost with these guys. I don't know, I haven't researched. I'm not really looking at getting some Lee filters, but if there were Benro prices, I would definitely consider it. But at the moment, there's no one to talk to, so we'll keep walking around. Let's have a look what else we've got. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy. Let's give a perspective shot of the road stand. So what's your brand called? Sorry, who are you?
So it's C&P Safaris.
C&P Safaris, so you supply trips out there, I guess?
So yeah, anywhere in Africa, Alaska, started doing India now for the
Fantastic,
tigers.
Yeah.
And customised boats, vehicles.
Look at this, guys. That is fantastic.
Just changing the finger.
The ultimate in image stabilisation.
And just bring your memory card and you get all the equipment to use and play with.
That's fantastic. Of course, at a premium cost, no doubt, but it would be worth it. Looks very, very professional. Look at these shots.
Chobe River in Botswana for 6 days, and you can get the trip's about 1,800. So you couldn't do it cheaper yourself and go out and the back of a Jeep sitting next to 4 people and all the action's on the other side, you can't take it. Whereas this, no uninterrupted view, 360 degrees, no roof on the boat, so you can track birds flying, picking up fish.
I love your unique selling point of just bring your memory card. Right, we continue. Some lovely people here. Of course, they want to sell you the wares, they want to sell you the products and the brand, but you know what? You can't knock it. At least they're having a chat to me. Let's have a look here. Oh, taking pictures of a young lady. Spin round. There you go. Right. Ah, Pentax, my first cameras. Let's have a look what these guys are doing. K12 weighs a ton. What is a good camera? My KR is a superb camera for starting with. Have a look. It's a really nice stand this year. Focus back on camera. Not on the 360. Ah, they've still got it there, but it isn't getting the prowess it got last year. I've got a soft spot for Pentax. Really, really like them. I'm going to go and have a walk on the Nikon stand, of course. My favourite. As a brand advocate for such fantastic cameras. Still using a Nikon D300S, which is very old technology, but still produces class images, and that is why I love this brand. You could say that about any other brand, but I just love the way Nikon do things. So, giving away freebies? I don't know. Let's have a walk on. I am with Nikon. Very clever branding. Look at that first stand. Very well done. Wow, there are a lot of people here now. I've never seen it this full in 5 years. Even for the first day, it's absolutely chocker. Oh, I've had to strip now. It's boiling hot. Yeah. Let's see where we're going. We're on the outer reaches, the end of the universe of photography, where small businesses lie, with the massage belts and the beds, little beds for photo shoots. You know, all the weird and unusual world of the outside of photography exhibition. You wouldn't believe I've just bumped into. Oh, there you go, Mr. Heaton.
Hello.
Mali Photography. What a great day. Loads of great
both
people.
Videoing, both filming together, look.
There's only us doing it.
I know. Everyone else is just I don't
cowards.
know what they're doing.
Yeah, can't do it, cowards. But there you go. They're not really cowards. I'm joking. No. Everyone's people. Lovely people. Yes.
Right, I'm gonna have to
go.
I've got to talk
and I'll see you in a bit.
minutes.
Yeah, good
right.
luck. Fantastic meeting you again. Take care. Wow. He's gonna have a hard job getting from here over there without lots of people interrupting him and saying hello, like me. But But there you go. That's the price of fame. Justified, of course. Photography's royalty. Cool.
Pesky stormtroopers, get away with you! Get a wash! Kill A.